Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. Presenting up the synopsis, that is the important points from the chapter The Living World. That's the first chapter of standard level. And friends, this will help you for getting ready for all the competitive exams as well as your college exams, and it would also help the CBSE, ICSE and the IGCSE students. The terms or the points discussed here are derived from MCQs that have appeared in the various national or state level competitive exams. Questions are formed from these terms or points either in similar or modified forms. These are beneficial as they will help you to master the important topics in limited span of time, frame expected questions, do effective revision, make your own synopsis. The more MCQs you solve, the better you understand and you improve your score. So daily practice a few minutes with me on my channel will surely help you to master the topic. So stay tuned. So friends, on demand of one of the viewers, I'm uploading up or I'm starting up with this particular chapter, that is Living World. Certainly I will be even uploading up the MCQs from the same chapter, and so stay tuned and do check with the playlist so that you get to know about the other videos that I would post in future as well. Point number one, growth, reproduction, cellular organization, ability to sense environment and mount a suitable response, metabolism, ability to self-replicate, self-organize, interact, and emergence are unique features of living organisms. All living organisms grow. Increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. A multicellular organism grows by cell division. In plants, this growth by cell division occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. In animals, this growth is seen only up to a certain age. However, cell division occurs in certain tissues to replace the lost cells. Increase in body mass is considered as growth. Point number 5. The non-defining characteristics of living being are growth and reproduction. The defining characteristics of living organisms are metabolism, cellular organization, and consciousness. Next, the growth exhibited by non-living objects is by accumulation of material on the surface, and this is termed as accretion. Next, growth cannot be taken as a defining property of living organisms. Next, fungi multiply and spread easily due to millions of asexual spores they produce. Next, in lower organisms like yeast and hydra, we observe budding. Point number 11, in planaria, that is flatworm, we observe true regeneration, that is, a fragmented organism regenerates the lost part of its body and becomes a new organism. Next, the fungi, the filamentous algae, the protonema of mosses all easily multiply by fragmentation. Next, in majority of higher animals and plants, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. Next, when it comes to unicellular organisms like bacteria, unicellular algae or amoeba, reproduction is synonymous with growth, that is, increase in cell number or mass. Hence, we notice that in single-celled organisms, we are not very clear about the usage of these two terms, namely growth and reproduction. Further, there are many organisms which do not reproduce, like mules, the sterile worker bees, and the infertile human couples. Point number 15. The sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in our body is metabolism. A very, very important definition, friends. All plants, animals, fungi, and microbes exhibit metabolism. No non-living objects exhibit metabolism. Next, metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free systems. An isolated metabolic reaction or reactions outside the body of an organism performed in a test tube is neither living nor non-living. Next, hence, while metabolism is a defining feature of all living organisms, without exception, isolated metabolic reactions in vitro, that is, in glassware, are not living things but surely living reactions. Point number 18. All living organisms are composed of cells and products of cells. Hence, cellular organization of the body is the defining feature of life forms. Point number 19. The most obvious and technically complicated feature of all living organisms is the ability to sense their surroundings or environment and respond to these environmental stimuli, which could be physical, chemical, or biological. Next, all organisms from the prokaryotes to the most complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to environmental clues. Plants respond to external factors like light, water, temperature, other organisms, pollutants, etc. Photoperiod affects reproduction in seasonal breeders, both plants and animals. Friends, I'm sure the series will help you. Your suggestions and comments are most welcome. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and do check with the playlist for the other chapters as well. Keep studying with me. Thank you so much.